Лариса?
Great.
Great. A little bit louder. How are you?
Very nice.
Very nice. And you, Yaroslav? Perfect. Yaroslav, how are you?
I'm okay.
I'm okay. What about you, Malika? Very good. And you, Nicole?
I'm fine.
I am fine. My Malika, my little girl? Good. Ask me, please, about me.
How are you?
I'm very good, children. I'm happy today. So, please, open your copybooks. Let's start. Here at the blackboard, we have the date. Who can read the date? Who will be the bravest? Yes, Nicole, you may.
The 25th of February, Tuesday.
Thank you. Yes, right. But no, don't write now. Look, what about our theme? We have no theme, children. It's magic. No theme we have. Let's guess what theme do we have today. I have shadow here. Name please this shadow. What is it? Ilyas, what is it?
Dog.
Yes, it's a dog. Malika, what is it? Mansur, help Malika.
Sheep.
Sheep, yes, right you are. Yasmin, this is? Help me, Yaroslav. Horse, yes, right you are. This is? Azirek?
This is cow.
A cow. And the last one, what is it? Yaroslav? A cat. Look at this shadow. What is the topic of our today's lesson? How do you think? Please?
Animals.
Maybe? Who else? Animals.
Yes.
Animals, yes, right, you are children. I go and write. Vocabulary animals. Thank you for your job. Animals. Наша сегодняшняя тема – активный словарь по теме животных. So, you may write down in your copybooks. Now you may. Look, this is vocabulary animals. I'm waiting, don't be hurry. Don't be shy. You have to, don't be shy. Have you finished? Yes? No? Yes, okay. I will speak about lesson objectives a little bit. So we have 3 lesson objectives. Use subject-specific vocabulary first. Apply topic factual descriptions, the second. And identify main information, the third. I will speak a little bit Russian. Первое. Это мы используем наш активный словарь по теме в работе с текстом. Второе. Применяем описание животных в работе с предложением. И третье. Умеем определять информацию или какие-то детали в коротких текстах. Is everything clear? Yes? Yes, clear. Okay. Now, I will divide you into 3 groups. You will be today my little animals. The first row is lions, львы. The second row is elephants, слонята. And the third row is giraffes, жирафы. Let's start. This. cards. Which group are you in? Here, lions sit. Please, lions will be sitting here. Okay? Elephants. No, these elephants will be sitting here. Okay? And giraffes will be sitting here. Change your places, please. Use all things. Change your places. Lions, львы, elephants, слонята, and giraffes. Thank you. How sweet. My brave lions, 2 girls and 2 boys. Elephants. Who else? Sit here, please. It's here. Nicole, sit here. Sit here. Sit here. What for the instrument? Yes. Come near. Here. Okay. Thank you. It's our team building. We have 3 groups today. Did you understand me? Okay. Yes, you may sit down here. Clear? Okay. Let's continue. And right now we will check up our homework. It was paintings about your favorite animals. Paintings, рисунки. Our evaluation, maximum 2 points. First of all, painting, and the second thing, a little short text about your favorite animal. Is everything clear? Okay, let's start. Maybe Mansur, come here. Show us your picture, show us. Read.
My favorite animal is a cat. My cat is funny.
And show us. Please show us. It's Mansur's cat. Thank you, Mansur. Please take and hand on the board. Okay, it's Mansur's favorite cat. Sit down, think. Who else? Maybe Nicole? Nicole, come here. What animal do you have?
My favorite animal is a cat. My cat is very nice.
All cats we have. Thank you. So, Nicole have 2 points, I think, and Mansur has 2 points. Yes? Рисунок есть, рассказ есть. So, please take magnet and hand on the board. Very sweet. Who else? Stefania, yes, you may. Don't be shy. What do you have?
My favorite animal is a cat. My cat is little.
Little cat. It's Stefania's cat. How sweet. Thank you. Take a magnet and hand on the board. So Stefania has how many points? 2 or 1? 2 points. Yes, you're right. And the last one, maybe Azire. Come here.
My favorite animal is a dog. My dog is a beautiful.
Show us how beautiful dog Azire has. How many points? 2 points. There is a picture, there is a short text. Yes, right you are. So give me your paintings and hand on the board. Come. Take a magnet. The second magnet. Yes, right here. I will look. Sit down, thanks. During the lesson, I will look at these paintings and give you some points, okay? Now, let's continue. I'll give you 1 minute for reading these words. You know these words. Их уже знаете. Читайте. I look through your pictures and you will read the words. Very nice. You are the real painters. Настоящие художники. Have you finished the reading? Okay. Now I'll give you some magic circles. Волшебные кружочки. I'll give you these magic circles. How do you think? For what? Как думаете, зачем? Look at these circles. Look, at here white part, write down please your names with a pen, ручкой. For example, Mansur, Aziria, write down please your names. Okay. Ярослав, Марика. You may write down only names. Finished?
Yes.
Okay, look. Turn the card. Here is tasks numbers. Yes? And little white circles. It was our first task, homework. And all of you have 2 points. Write down. Task number 1, 2 points. Write down on your circles. Первое задание найдите. Оставьте себе за домашнее. Is everything clear? Понятно? Okay. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. Now, our consolidation of the words. I will read these parts of the animal's body and you will repeat after me. Loud, active. Yes? Not so loud. Okay. Let's start. Paws.
Paws.
Neck.
Neck.
Whiskers.
Whiskers.
Gills.
Gills.
Tusks.
Tusks.
Tail.
Tail.
Beak.
Beak.
Fins.
Fins.
Hooves.
Hooves.
Wings.
Wings.
Very nice. And now I want to ask you, who will be the teacher for 1 minute? Who helped me to read these words? The bravest, самый смелый. Who will be the teacher? A little teacher. Else, Yaroslav, who else? Sit, Yaroslav, wait. Who else? Only Yaroslav? Don't be shy, come. Only Yaroslav. Okay, Yaroslav, come. Stay here. Sorry. Verbs. Pause. No, pause. Pause.
Neck,
Neck.
whiskers,
Whiskers.
gills,
Gills.
tusks,
Tusks.
tail,
Tail.
beak,
Beak.
fins,
Fins.
hooves,
Hooves.
wings.
Wings.
Thank you, Yaroslav, very much, my little teacher. So help me and read the word клюв. Help me. How in English? Клюв. Малика?
Beak.
Beak. Yes, right, you are. Усики. У котенка, Мансур.
Whiskers.
Whiskers. Бивни у слоненка. Стефания?
Tusks.
Tusks. Yes, right, you are. Крылья у волшебной птицы. Yes.
Wings.
Wings. And the last one. Шея у жирафа. This means
Neck.
neck. Yes, right. You know these words very perfect. Let's continue our work. And now our balloon method. I have a white funny balloon. It's for you, my children. It will be the group work, yes? Look at the assessment criteria. First place, who will be the fastest, 1 point. No, 2 points. And second and third place, 1 point. Итак, ребят, кто быстрее всех пройдет слова и не уронит, даже нет руны, не уронит шарик, получает 2 балла группа, да? Второе и третье место получают 1 балл. Думаю, все заслужено. Yes? Okay? Let's start. So what group will be the first? This group. Okay, lions, come here. All group, come here. Сядем. Пошли, пошли. Так, ну начинаем. Итак, ваша задача, когда вы ответили слово, передать шарик соседу и постараться что делать, ребят? Не уронить, иначе будет балл минус. После того, как вы прошли 4 вопроса, ваше задание закончено. Monster will be the first. On one hand. Read.
Elephant.
Elephant. Please continue.
Crocodile.
Crocodile. Yes, right. You are. Monkey. Yes. And for Malika. Only with one hand. Okay. Okay. Wow. Read. Tiger. Thank you very much. How many points? 2 points. Okay, thank you. Sit down. On your magic circles, you write down 2 points. My little elephants, come here. Don't be shy. The first, Russell? Russell, let's start. Kangaroo, yes, right. Pleasure. Think a little. Don't help. Parrot, yes, good. To Nikita. Dangerous. Lion, yes, right. And for Stefania. Zebra, yes, right. Give me. Thank you. Sit down. My elephants. How many points does this book have? 2 points. Write down on your magic circles. And now, these little giraffes, young giraffes. Let's start, girls. Один у нас жирафят, только девчонка. So, this, let's start. Elephant, yes, right, you are. Only with one hand. Okay.
Crocodile.
Crocodile, right, you are. The next. Monkey, good. Is everything right?
Yes.
Tiger. Thank you, give me. And my little giraffe has how many? 2 points. Write down on your magic circles. Thank you, my students, for an excellent job. Let's go on. Now, domino method. Do you know this play domino? Все знают игру домино?
Yes.
Okay. Assessment criteria. 2 mistakes. 0, 1, 2 mistakes. 2 points. More than 3 mistakes, 1 point. Если вы допустите до 2 ошибок, это нормально. 2 балла. Если более 3 ошибок, 1 балл. I'll give you for each group turn. It's for your group. Turn your chair, okay? Please turn a little bit. And this is for you. Turn. Okay. Turn the chairs, that's right, yes. You may, yes, you may change these cards, look at them. Now, Odin. My students, be attentive. You have, turn to me, you have to listen the text twice. Два раза слушаем. Be very attentive. And then you have to choose the right places for each sentence. Ребят, вы прослушаете текст два раза. Надеюсь, хватит вам. После этого вы должны правильно по порядку составить предложение. Так, как играют в домино. Все понятно? У вас есть две маленькие подсказки. Какие? The word start. What is it? Начало. And finish. Начало. Yes, right, sir. Oh. Work. This? So let's start. Ready?
Yes.
Ready, steady, let's begin.
The animals in the forest and the sea have different body parts. Birds have wings and a beak to fly and eat. Fish use fins to swim and gills to breathe underwater. A horse has strong hooves to run fast. Cats have soft paws and long whiskers to feel their way in the dark. An elephant has a long neck and big tusks. A dog wags its tail when it is happy.
So, do you need one more? Yes? Yes, one more.
The animals in the forest and the sea have different body parts. Birds have wings and a beak to fly and eat. Fish use fins to swim and gills to breathe underwater. A horse has strong hooves to run fast. Cats have soft paws and long whiskers to feel their way in the dark. An elephant has a long neck and big tusks. A dog wags its tail when it is happy.
Is it enough for you? Достаточно? One more time. I think enough, yes? Yes. Let's walk. You have 3 or 4 minutes. Yes, like this, like domino, yes? Don't watch in another group. Don't watch. Yourself, Sunny. It's a start, yes? Start. Mhm. Are you ready, students, now? No? Yes? So, let's check up in another group this task. Сейчас мы проверим так. Один человек от каждой команды пройдет в другую команду, посмотрит ответ и вынесет свой вердикт. Правильно или нет? Ну а потом только мы уже откроем ключи. Давайте так. Львы проверить сейчас слонят. Выберите кого-нибудь одного. Слонята проверят жирафов, кто-то один. А жирафы проверят львов. So, let's check up this task. The one person. Вот один. So don't forget about assessment criteria. 2 mistakes, 2 points. More, 1 point. Okay. How do you think? It's your opinion. That's what things. It's your own opinion. Это ваше личное мнение. That's all? Take your places. Займите свои места. So how many points has this group? 2 points. Is everything good? Yes, okay. This group, how many points? 1 or 2? 2 points. Одна ошибка, все правильно. And this group, how many points? Стефания? 2 points. Okay. Let's start to check up. So you may turn. Right. Let's check up keys. Проверочные ключи. So, this is the first card. Yes. Who can read? Nikita, come here. Read. Come here. Read this card. The animals.
The animals is the forest and the sea will have different body parts.
Yes, right. Now translate into Russian.
Животные живут в лесу и в воде.
И у них разные
Тела.
части тела. Yes, you're right. Sit down. The next. Check up. This card. Yes, the next. Azilea, come here. Read.
Birds have wings and a beak to fly and eat.
Yes. У птичек есть.
У птиц есть крылья и клюв, чтобы летать и кушать.
Very nice. Sit down. Thanks. Our next domino card. This? Yes. Nicole, come here. Try to translate and for sure read.
Fish use fins to swim and gills to
Breathe.
breathe underwater.
Ага. Используй.
Рыба использует плавники,
Чтобы
чтобы плавать, и жабры, чтобы
дышать.
дышать и
Где? Underwater.
плавать под водой.
Под подуй, чтобы дышать подуй. Yes, right, you. Our next domino card. It's very interesting. Who can? Yes, come here. This part, read please this part of the domino.
Strong hoops to run fast.
Yes, good. У лошадки что есть?
Лошадки есть копыты,
Чтобы?
чтобы быстро бегать.
Yes, nice, nice. Good job. Sit down. Yaroslav, come here and read about cats.
Cats have soft tails,
Paws.
and long whiskers. Feel their way in the dark.
Что есть у кошек?
Есть усы, чтобы знать
Ага, а еще paws
и лапы.
и лапки мягкие. Yes, sit down, thanks. The next about elephants. Malika, Shoshana, come here. Don't be afraid. Read. Да. Что есть? Во-первых, шея, да? Еще что установить? Большие жабры, условно, Ау. Бивни, я смотрю, сидела. Но это был бы интересный микс, конечно. And the last one, finish. Who can read? Raise your hands. Who can read the finish? Girls and boys, please raise your hands. Don't sit. Ильяс, come. Что делает собачка? Виляет? Когда радуется. Yes, right, you are sitting, thanks. So, how many points this group? 2 points. This 2 and this 2. Write down on your magic circles 2 points. I look one more. The next play is the bone. It's a pair work. Парная работа. Я сейчас вам раздам замечательные мисочки, чтобы покормить наших любимых животных. К этим мисочкам я вам дам сахарные косточки. Но не все косточки будут свежие и вкусные. Вы должны отсортировать предложения по мисочкам true and false. What is it true and false? Yes. Что значит true false? False? То есть правильное предложение и неправильное. It's a pair. Работайте парой. So let's start. Let's work. Don't forget about criteria. От 4 до 7 ошибок 1 point. Больше, чем 3 ошибки. 0 point. Be quick. Yes, good. Yes, very nice. Write down 1 point on this circle. Very nice. Who is ready? Yes, 1 point you have. Nice. Right here, 1 point you have, girls. Yes, you're right too. 1 point. And these, 1 point. My dear little animals, you are brilliant, very nice. And you? One mistake you have. But it is 1 point. 1 point. So take a magic circle and write down 1 point here. Very good. Now, let's continue our work. And a little bit heaviness. A 6 says, touch your body parts. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready, steady, go. So a 6 says, touch your neck. Yes, right, yeah. A 6 says, touch your hair. Yes, nice. A 6 says, touch your ears. Thank you. A 6 says, touch your eyes. Right, you are. And the last, a 6 says, touch your nose. Okay. We have a rest. Let's continue. Our digital education. I'll give you some links. Ссылки. Open your mobile phones and try to do these frog jumps. Yes, you may quickly. So open this link, открываем ссылку, and let's start. So you may start. Можно начать. Ребят, мне вы потом сообщаете только количество ошибок, сколько раз утонула ваша лягушка. Хорошо? До 2 раз утонула, это еще нормально. Баба. Are you ready? No? If you are ready, tell me your points. Если готовы, пожалуйста, ребят, количество ошибок можете назвать. Никита? 0. So, 2 points you have. Write down 2 points. 2 points. 2 points. Next. 0. 2 points. 2 балла ставишь. 2 points. The next. 2 points. Ставишь на волшебном кружке. 0. 2 points. 2 балла. So if you're ready, write down your points. This assessment criteria. Сюда смотрим, выставляем баллы. And the last one. Finished? Let's continue. Take your phones. Все, выставляйте себе баллы. And the last one, scramble the letters. So it's a pair work. So come here. Let's start. Repeat. Вытаскиваем буковки. Mm-hmm. So translate. Twins. Okay. The next. Mm-hmm. Okay, student. I think you may sit down and these tasks, sit down. And this task I will be at home. I will be give you at home. Домой ждать вам это задание, да? Закончить, хорошо? Нас поджимает время. Now your homework, write down in your copybooks. У вас на выбор или составить небольшой рассказ о любом животном, или упражнение 2 на страничке 127. Ваш выбор. Коротко напишите. Угу. Now I'll give you some stickers. 3 stickers. Write down your names. Напишите имена на них. И мы с вами ответим на несколько вопросов. Имена на каждом стикере, ребят. Внизу подсчитайте количество своих баллов. Подписывайте пока стикеры. Каждому по 3, ребят. Вот 3 ответа будет. 1 балл в последнем задании. 1 балл. Так, смотрим, ребят. Я умею называть части животных. Не очень хорошо, замечательно. Я умею решать, правильное или неправильное предложение. 3 ответа. И я могу находить информацию в тексте. So please, put your stickers. Put your stickers. Пиши стикеры. Первая колонка плохо, вторая хорошо, третья здорово. На перемене подойдете мне и сообщите ваше количество баллов. Хорошо? Это будут ваши оценки. Фамилию просто. И наклеивайте стикер. Быстрее, быстрее, ребят, время идет. Первая колонка. Плохо, хорошо или замечательно. Угу. Be quick. Thank you, sit down. Окей, окей. Be quick. I'm happy today. Stand up, my students. Marika, we are waiting for you. Thank you. And this. Okay. You have very good work today. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.